Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang ke tenangFX Mapping Monday. Hari ini 10 Ogos 2020. Kita dah masuk 20 minggu, kita analisa bersama. And untuk minggu ni kita nak fokus kepada USDJPY. Alright. So macam biasa, let's trade dengan tenang. Setiap hari Senin kita ada Mapping Monday. Alright, setiap hari Rabu kita ada Webinar Wednesday. So one thing that I find out about from a lot of feedbacks is that, so ramai yang tak tahu setiap Rabu ni kita buat live ni percuma, okay? Percuma sahaja. So you guys boleh join this group dekat Telegram, okay, Webinar Wednesday punya group, because setiap hari Selasa I akan update new links untuk join Webinar Wednesday. So to know more about tenangFX, you guys can follow our Instagram @tenang.fx, and jangan lupa untuk like, share and subscribe tenangFX YouTube, okay? So tanpa melengahkan masa, let's take a look at USDJPY. Alright. Okay. So this is monthly. Okay. What we can see from monthly is that USDJPY sekarang ni tengah dia baru je break. Okay. Dia baru je break this trend line. Okay. Dia baru je break. So practically in UJ kita dalam bullish punya phase. So it's safe to say that UJ we are looking for opportunity untuk sell. Okay, in fact dia baru start. So last month the price closes below the level of 106.278. So kita punya bearish momentum sekarang ni kita target maybe up to here ataupun here. Okay, but monthly is a big time frame, so monthly nak close pun lambat lagi. Okay, so there it could be, okay, it could be ada phase yang akan buatkan price untuk naik, untuk retest this level dahulu. Okay, but kita tak tahu. So what we can do is that to anticipate the price when we understand every time frame punya direction. Alright. Okay, so for monthly kita tahulah yang dia tengah bearish. Now let's take a look at weekly. Alright, so weekly all in all, kita still sama, our outlook is still bearish. Okay, our outlook is still bearish. We are expecting for weekly to go lower up to here. Okay, up to here. But one thing that is quite interesting is that last week our price closes dekat sini. Okay, so last week kita dah retest weekly punya level dekat sini. Okay, kita dah retest weekly punya level dekat sini, and it tries to go higher but it comes back down. So practically for last week our body only move for about 10 pips. Alright, so this is the significant price yang kita ada last week, which was about 10 pips only, walaupun dia bergerak banyak lah. Okay, sampai 105.3, but dia comes back to around this level. So this could show that maybe weekly is trying to push higher. Because why? Because monthly we still have a level here yang tadi. Okay, kita akan tunjuk jap. Okay, so there's a possibility that weekly nak cari this level and this level untuk retest before continuing bearish. In fact, for 3 weeks, okay, for 3 weeks price baru bounce daripada bawah ni. Okay, so there's a chance that weekly kita nak push higher. Alright, so what do we do? Our outlook bearish, our outlook for monthly is bearish. Our weekly still no sign untuk shows bearish or bullish. But right now the first sign is that candle last week closes higher and comes back around the previous 2 weeks punya close price. So it shows a little bit of bullish punya activity. So we are looking at daily right now. Kita nak tengok daily pula, adakah price boleh continue to go higher or lower. So right now we're at a very sensitive level, because practically the price have been consolidated around this level. So we want to see which side yang break dahulu. Okay, so let's take a look at daily. Alright, cool. Alright, so we can see that daily price have been ranging in this triangle. Okay, so price have been ranging in this triangle, and then price have just bounced from this level. It shows the first sign of a bullish from lower side of UJ. Okay, and hari ni price is trying to go higher than the weekly and also daily level. So sekarang ni daripada monthly dengan weekly, kita tahu yang it's not good to decide any bias for UJ yet. Okay, because first the 2 time frame is big, so kita tak tahu movement mana yang akan betul bias dia. So but now from daily kita dah start nampak bahawa for now daily the price is bullish. Okay, the price is bullish because dia because the last seen activity of UJ, dia baru push from this lower side, okay, which is 104 104.1. so right now is 105.9. it's about 200 pips. So it came from the lower side and trying to push upwards. But before we decide to buy or sell, okay, we have to remember that daily right now kita dekat daily resistance. Okay, kalau daily berjaya close lower than this, baru kita tahu yang price ni akan tak akan berjaya untuk push higher. So we are trying not to buy here. Okay, we are not trying to buy here. But what I can tell is that kalau daily hari ni sekurang-kurangnya berjaya close higher than this level, okay, so tomorrow you guys boleh cari H4 untuk dia pull back. You guys boleh try masuk around this level, and then you guys can buy up to here, which is about 106.7, 105.9. It's about 80 pips, alright, 80 to 90 pips, okay, before kita continue sell. Because right now untuk daily our probability untuk buy maybe is up to here and also up to somewhere around here juga. Okay, so first obstacle is going to be here, alright, and then here kalau dia berjaya untuk buy lah. Okay, tapi kalau tak berjaya, barulah dekat sini kita nak cari peluang sell apabila daily tak berjaya close lower higher than this. Okay, so this is what you guys need. Okay, so when we do technical analysis, it doesn't matter how good we are, kita tak boleh predict market macam bomoh. Okay, there's no such thing as a sure thing. So what we do is we anticipate the price. When the price have given us a certain level, a certain amount of price, so kita react by anticipating what the price is going to do next. Alright, now that's why the price close is very important. So when you understand time frames, when you understand multiple time frames, when you understand the correlation between MTF and the direction, so that how the price close can be affected by the direction, and then you decide whether you nak sell ataupun buy dekat dekat that pair. Alright, so right now daily pun it's no good kalau kita terus buy atau sell. Sekarang kita nak tengok hari ni close dekat mana. Okay, so kalau hari ni close kat atas, kita boleh tunggu pullback and then buy up to here or up to here. And if ataupun lagi selamat, because monthly punya bias kita memang tengah sell. Okay, memang tengah sell. So what you guys can do is try to find a short position somewhere around here or here. Okay, so let's say you take it here and we are expecting to sell up to here. Alright, up to here, which is monthly level. Okay, so if you take 100 pips SL, and the ratio of our risk reward ratio would be around 3.63. okay, 1 to 3.63. so this is a good ratio to begin with. Okay, in fact this trend line untuk daily ni pun are still fresh, so I think memang it's a higher possibility untuk price to go up first, and then dia akan turun balik kat bawah ni. Okay, untuk dia bagi peluang kita untuk sell to fulfill monthly punya direction. Alright, so look at H4. So H4 pun we have some information that price, okay, kita boleh nampak this triangle have just broke out, and then dia tengah pull back, and then dia dah retest kat sini. So as you can see, daripada daily dengan H4 kita dah boleh nampak yang price tengah start to go bullish. Alright, so but we have to remember daily and H4 punya bullish ni dia short term sebab dia retracement, because monthly and weekly kita punya buyers are still selling. Alright, So I'm expecting for the price to go up to here and up to here. In fact, kalau kita keluarkan this information on the hourly chart, alright, perhaps on H4 we can see it clearly. Alright, there you go. So daily dengan H4 kita ada confluence dekat sini, and then if we take this level as well untuk shows on the hourly chart, we can see that yeah, it's confluence So daily dengan H4 kita confluence level untuk masuk sell dekat sini, but I think it's either here or here. We will monitor the price once this level have broken. So kita tunggu level ni break dulu, and then kita masuk pullback, dia buy, kita buy dulu. Okay, but buy ni is a high risk entry sebab dia melawan major trend which is monthly. So kita akan buy, and then kita nak tunggu price buat apa kat level ni. Sama ada dia akan break higher untuk cari sini, ataupun dia akur dengan permintaan resistance yang confluence H4 dengan daily ni untuk dia continue sell sini. So kalau there's a CRS level around this level nanti, then we can expect to start short our entry there, and then kita boleh try cari short position sampai level 103. Alright, so that's all for USDJPY. I hope you get something. What you guys can do is to mark all the levels that I have marked. Okay, try to anticipate the market. Look out for all these levels that I have been marked, so you guys can make your own decision untuk masuk entry when when and what price. Alright, so for those of you who wants to know more on tenangFX syllabus, on how I do my analysis on every pair, alright, to learn more everything on the technical side, especially on trend lines, especially on a very important levels of the chart, you guys can DM me at tenang.fx in Instagram. Alright, I'll answer all of your questions there. If you guys are interested to join the course, or if you guys just want to know about technical analysis. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.